Prime Minister, one of the requirements of the statute that has just been passed by Parliament is that Ngāi Tahu should acknowledge to the Crown that the bill is consistent with the deed of settlement and thus permit its process, due process, and its signing into law by the Executive Council and by the Governor-General. I now hand over to you a letter signed by myself as Chairman of the Ngāi Tahu Negotiating Group and Mark Solomon, the Kai Whakahaere of Te Runanga o Ngāi Tahu. Our acknowledgement that the bill that has just passed into law and become the Ngāi Tahu Claims Settlement Act 1998 is consistent with the deed of settlement, and request you to arrange that the Governor-General does his duty.
It will be my great honour on behalf of the Crown to convene an Executive Council in an appropriate fashion to see that this is now signed into law so that this matter can be put right between the Crown and Ngāi Tahu. Kia ora.